I'm here today to give you an update on Render RNDR. We're going to be looking at Render from a technical analysis perspective, looking at market structure, looking at some key indicators, some very important buying levels that we can be looking at, and essentially looking for a potential price prediction that we can be expecting over the next 6 to 12 months or so. So not going to keep you guys too long here, just want to get straight deep down and dirty into the charts. So what are we seeing right now? Okay, the most recent confirmed high or low for this asset is currently sat around $9 and $9.18. Okay, currently trading at $9.40 here on quite a significant pullback, may I say? Quite a significant pullback, which is absolutely fine because we are slapping all-time highs for this asset most recently at around $13.67. So on a bit of a retracement of around. Before we continue with this video, guys, I want to talk to you about a cryptocurrency webinar that I am hosting every single day. And this is a simple 5-step strategy on how you can make a 5-figure a month income in as little as 42 days. Okay, every single attendee who attends this webinar will get a trading strategy worth $250, and also you'll be getting $300 worth of mindset trading strategies and abilities as well, given away on every single call here. And also, guys, guess what? It's completely free. So if this is something you're interested in, please go to the link in the description or click up there click up there and you'll see a nice link to the cryptocurrency webinar where you can learn a brand new strategy for free. But that's it for now. Back to the video. Around 33% here, which is absolutely fine, guys, because usually when we smash all-time highs, we usually retrace back down to them. Okay, so what I would say here is unfortunately, looking at this chart, guys, you can see it's in the parabolic motion to the upside. Okay, when we see a parabolic motion like so, unfortunately it means that usually we have quite strong corrections. Okay, the correctionary period that I would probably expect here, unfortunately, coming into this into the Bitcoin halving, into the markets probably having a bit of downside because we have seen a lot of upside here. We do have the most recent high low currently priced at, as I said, $19.16 there. Now, unfortunately, it's very likely that we lose this. Okay, it really is very likely that we lose this and see lower prices of, I wouldn't say the next high low, because that is priced at around another 50% decline from where you are now, but I would say at least coming down to around $8 and $8.20 there. Okay, and if that is going to happen, quite likely it will happen here, that is going to be your buy zone. Okay, that is going to be your buy zone for this asset. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor, guys. This is definitely a point to be looking out for there. If we look at previous all-time highs, you can see we were back at $6.66 there, and you can see we actually set previous all-time high at this level before. So it's definitely a point to really be looking out for there for a potential buying area for this asset. Okay, now in terms of referencing the market cap to where we're currently at, it's currently at $3.5 billion market cap for Render. If we are sort of doing a price prediction, and this is going to be a reserved price prediction coming into this next alt season, guys, for this to be at an all-time high already, considering it's already been, that's the wrong thing, considering it's already been at all-time highs and it's already been through a couple of cycles here, then it's very intriguing to see this breaking all-time highs at this point in time, guys, because a lot of coins haven't even touched maybe 40–50% to where they're supposed to be on previous all-time highs from the previous bull market. Okay, so for us to see it at this level, I would be very confident. Okay, I'd be very bullish, very confident compared to a lot of other coins. Okay, so one thing that I would say about Render, if we're doing sort of a reserved price prediction for the next sort of 6 to 12 months, I'd say at least a 2x, guys. I would say at least a 2x, and that I'm purely basing that on it being a $7 billion market cap and the fact of what is done throughout the last year compared to other altcoins, and the fact that we haven't seen a lot of retail capital, the influx of retail capital coming into the altcoin sort of market just yet. We're not really in that massive alt season phase. I would expect a coin like this to at least 2x. Okay, I mean, some coins like EOS, we're still looking at a 10x, right? So a 2x for this asset being priced where it currently is completely achievable in my opinion. Okay, obviously I'm not a financial advisor, all that good stuff. Now again, the buying area for this asset would be around $8.09. Going into a bit more bit more TA here, guys. Just want to break this down. I'm going to be drawing in a pretty strong trend line from this area here, guys. We're getting as many touches as possible there. And you can see the momentum is actually quite strong from that point, okay? And what do you know? It does line up pretty nicely with our potential buy zone there. So again, another point to be looking out for there. Let's get in some automatic Fibonacci retracement, and let's see what we're working with there as well. Is that even... No, it's not going to show on the chart today. Good stuff. Well done, TradingView. You've sweeted me there, mate. Cheers, mate. Maybe if I go down a time frame. What do you know? There we go. Okay, so we've got a Fibonacci retracement from all-time high. This is a very important point to be looking out for here, guys, because you can see the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement for render is currently priced at around $7.44. If we lose this zone, this is the confirmation that we're going to have continuation to the downside, okay? So just remember, if we lose this zone, and what do you know? Again, it's just below our buying area that we're looking for here for render. But if we lose this zone, I would expect downside to the 3-day and the 12-hour volume weighted ATR band at around $5.89, $5 exactly. Okay, so those are the areas for render that I would be looking out for. Overall, but yeah, just to summarize the price prediction for the next 2 months, next 6 to 12 months, to be realistic, guys, looking at around a 2x, okay? Looking at around a 2x for this asset. So if you were to buy from $8, it would be up to around a $16, yeah, $16 per coin, and that is going to be around a 2x on your investment. And please, guys, this is conservative. This is very reserved. I'm not going to be blowing the guns here because we are at all-time highs for this asset. I'm just basing this pretty much on going into the next market here. A 2x is very, very achievable for this asset, considering how well it's been doing over the last 6 to 12 months or so, okay? So yeah, that's what I would say about render. Hope you enjoyed the update, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments section. If you like the content, smash a like on it. And if you never want to miss one of my uploads, make sure you hit the notification bell and make sure you hit the subscribe button. But yeah, that's gonna be it from me. Peace. I'll see you in the next one.